Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time in my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video, another scones video. So we have our ingredients here. We have wheat flour 1 kg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 egg, and a jug of water. So first of all, start by adding hot oil into your wheat flour. Then you can add sugar, your yeast, your egg, and then mix them properly. After everything is mixed properly, you can now add water. So add enough water to make a dough. So we have our dough here, cover it for 30 minutes. Here's our dough after the 30 minutes. So first of all, start by adding cooking oil into a sufuria, and again add a little amount of flour. Then now roll your dough into your favorable shape. Then arrange them in your sufuria. So after you're done arranging your doughs into your sufuria, so take a nylon paper, then start applying oil on the topmost part of the doughs. Then after that you can cover it for about 15 minutes. Then it can now be ready to be baked, to be cooked. So I used the Kijiko to cook my scones. While baking, make sure on the topmost part of the sufuria you add a lot of charcoal, and the bottom part don't add a lot of charcoal. So my scones took approximately 30 minutes to cook. So after that you can apply again oil on the topmost part of the scones. And if you really enjoyed my video, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.
In my bed, in my bed. Hola.